Welcome to English Story Source. We are so happy you are here. Do you want to speak real English every day? This story is for you. Today, we follow Jack and Mia as they try to make the perfect weekend plan. It is a simple story, but it has important English words. Listen closely. If you watch this video until the end, you will understand how to talk about plans and changes in English. Pro tip: watch the story 2 times. The first time, just listen. The second time, try to say the words with me. Your English will grow fast. Let's start the big plan. The Big Weekend Plan, Learning English with Jack and Mia. Part 1, Friday, a difficult decision. Jack and Mia were good friends. They liked to spend time together. Today was Friday. The weekend was here. What is the plan, Mia? Jack asked. Mia looked at her phone. I don't know, Jack. I am very busy. But I want to have fun. Do you have a plan? Jack thought for a moment. He always liked big plans. We can go to the big city. Jack said. We can see a movie. We can eat at a new restaurant. It will be fun. Mia shook her head. No, the city is too far. The bus is too slow. I want something easy. I want something near my house. Okay, Jack said. We can go to the park. The park is near your house. We can play a game. We can talk for many hours. Mia smiled a little. The park is good. But the weather report says it might rain on Saturday. Rain is not good for the park. Jack looked sad. First, the city is too far. Now, the park has rain. We must make a plan, Mia. The weekend is only 2 days. Mia laughed. Yes, we must make a plan. Let's meet tomorrow morning. We will drink coffee and make the final plan. How about 9 a.m.? 9 a.m. is too early, Mia. The weekend is for sleeping late. How about 10:30 a.m.? Jack asked. 10:30 a.m. is good, Mia agreed. Let's meet at the Happy Coffee Shop at 10:30 a.m. on Saturday. We will make a fun plan then. Perfect. Jack said. See you tomorrow. Don't be late. Part 2, Saturday morning and the big change. Saturday came. Jack woke up at 9 a.m. He was not late. He put on his favorite blue shirt. He was happy for the weekend. He looked out the window. Oh no, he said. It was not raining. It was very sunny. The sky was blue. The park was a perfect idea now. Jack took his phone and called Mia. Mia. Are you ready? It is 9:30 a.m. now. We must change the plan. The sun is here. We can go to the park. We can play football. Mia answered the phone. Her voice was sleepy. Jack, it is 9:30 a.m. We said 10:30 a.m. for coffee. I am still in bed. And the coffee shop plan is already set. But the sun, Mia. The park. Jack said. Mia was calm. Jack, we said we will plan at 10:30 a.m. We did not say we will go to the park. I need coffee first. Please wait for me. The coffee shop is waiting. Jack sighed. Mia was right. They had a plan, and they must follow the plan first. He needed patience. Okay, Mia. I will wait. I will be at the Happy Coffee Shop at 10:15 a.m. But we must go to the park after coffee. We will see, Jack, Mia said and hung up the phone. Jack walked to the coffee shop. It was a 10-minute walk. He arrived at 10:15 a.m. Part 3, The Happy Coffee Shop. The coffee shop was warm and busy. Jack sat at a small table near the window. He bought a big, sweet donut and a black coffee. He waited for Mia. 10:30 a.m. Mia arrived. She was wearing a pretty yellow dress. "Hello, Jack. You are on time." "Good," Mia said. "Hello, Mia." "I was early," Jack said. "I am hungry and tired. And I am ready for the plan." Mia bought a small juice and sat down. "Okay, let's talk about the plan. You want the park. I want the park. But we must be smart, Jack." "Smart?" Jack asked. "Yes. The weather can change fast. It is sunny now, but what if the rain comes later? We need a plan for inside and a plan for outside," Mia explained. Jack liked this idea. It was a good plan for the plan. "Okay, Plan A, the park and football. Plan B, inside fun." "What is Plan B?" Jack asked. "Plan B is simple," Mia said. "We can go to the big bookstore downtown. They have a nice coffee area and many interesting books. It is warm and dry." "The bookstore? That is a very quiet plan, Mia. I like loud and fast plans," Jack complained. Mia laughed. "Jack, quiet fun is also fun. We can look at travel books. We can learn new things. We can find a new English book for our lessons." Jack thought about the new English book. He liked learning new words. "Okay, the bookstore is a good Plan B, but we must try Plan A first. Let's go to the park now." It is 11 a.m. Part 4, The Surprise Visitor. Jack and Mia paid for their drinks. They were ready to leave the coffee shop and go to the park. Just as they stood up, they heard a voice, "Jack." "Mia. Wait for me." It was Leo. Leo was another good friend. He was a funny guy, but always a little late. Leo ran to their table. "I am so happy I found you. I heard you are making a big plan for the weekend. Can I join the plan?" Jack and Mia looked at each other. They had their plan. But Leo was a good friend. "Hello, Leo," Mia said. "Yes, we are making a big plan. It is a big plan with two parts. Plan A is the park. Plan B is the bookstore." Leo's eyes became big. "The bookstore? That is boring, Mia." "The park? That is good, but I have a better idea." "Better than the park?" Jack asked, feeling excited. "Yes. My cousin has a small boat on the lake. It is a slow boat, but the lake is very beautiful. We can go for 2 hours. It will be new. It will be a real adventure," Leo explained. Jack jumped up. "The boat? Wow. That is the best plan. Let's go now." Mia smiled. "Wait, Jack. 3 people and a small boat. Is the boat safe, Leo?" "Yes, Mia. It is very safe. We must go to the lake now. It is 30 minutes by car." "I have my car here," Leo said. Part 5, The Final Best Plan. Mia thought quickly. Plan A, park, good, but sunny only now. Plan B, bookstore, quiet, safe. Plan C, the boat, new, exciting, maybe a little risky. "Okay, Leo. The boat sounds great. But if the boat plan is today, we must eat lunch now. I am very hungry, and I don't want to eat on the water, Mia said. Leo and Jack agreed. They quickly bought sandwiches from the coffee shop. In 10 minutes, they were ready. Jack felt very happy. The weekend started perfectly. The plan was not the park, and it was not the quiet bookstore. It was a new adventure on the water. They got into Leo's car. Jack sat in the front. Mia sat in the back. As they drove out of the city, Jack looked at the sky. The sky was still blue. Wait, Leo. Stop the car. We forgot something. Jack yelled. Leo stopped the car. What is it, Jack? Did we forget the food? No. We forgot the most important thing for the boat. Jack said. He quickly ran to a small shop and came back with 3 big bottles of water. Water. We need water for the sun and the long ride. Now the plan is perfect. Jack said, laughing. Mia smiled from the back seat. Yes, Jack. Now the plan is perfect. 3 friends, sandwiches, water, and a boat. This is the best weekend. They drove to the lake. The lake was big and blue. Leo's boat was small and yellow. They put on their life jackets. The boat ride was wonderful. They saw small fish and many beautiful green trees near the water. They laughed and talked. They ate their sandwiches and drank their water. The sun was warm. The water was calm. The big plan, which was so difficult at first, became the best plan because they were together. They learned an important lesson that weekend: a perfect plan is not a plan on paper. A perfect plan is a plan with good friends and an open mind. Final thoughts and next adventure. Thank you for staying with Jack and Mia until the end. We hope their story showed you how easy it is to talk about plans, changes, and friends in English. Now, tell us in the comments, what new word did you learn today? Use one simple sentence to answer. If you are ready for a new story and a new challenge, subscribe to English Story Source right now. We post new lessons and stories every week to help your English grow fast.